What is good, my peoples? How you doing? How you doing today on this lovely Thursday? Well, this is April 9th, 2026. So, these are my trades. This is what I'm looking like right now. It got us to much as about 196 is what I saw. So about roughly $200. So go, if you have a chance, go look at that candle from yesterday and just see how crazy it went. If you know, you know. And also, I wanted to get out. I'm telling you, the old me would have gotten out with probably less than $100 because that is what happens when you don't stick to your plan. So my thought process, so I listen to Mark Douglas a lot. So my thought process was, look, if it goes down, stop you out because I have my stop loss set. If it go down and takes you out, so what? So be it. You can't control the market. The market moves how I want to move. It is what it is. It's just that I have my probability set up. Again, Mark Douglas, that guy literally like changed the way that I see trading. And if you go back and look at my first video, I was explaining how I used to just take trades and as soon as it goes wrong, I'll be like, well, this system doesn't work. And it's not like that. It's really a probability game. Again, I've tried supply demand, TDI, a stochastic. Oh, MACD. I forgot about MACD. That was like a big one. Everybody was like harping on it. And I think the most successful that I was supply and demand. But anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. That's what I'm looking like today. After the market closes at 5. Well, it doesn't close for the week, but I'm just saying when the new day starts at 5, I will if my rules, if the market meets my rules, then I open up a fourth trade. But if not, I won't open up a fourth trade. Just like I did today, I didn't open up another trade. And again, I'm trading on the daily time frame. So put in the comments if you want me to show you the exact system that I'm using, how many pips I'm going, my exact stop loss, and I have no issues showing you. But you got to get me some likes, you got to get me some views. I don't mind helping people. As I say, I'm not trying to do a course. I'm not trying to do any of that. But anyway, this is what I'm looking like. Let's go to the chart on this bad boy. And as you can see, my stop loss is there. Those are the trades that I opened up starting from the beginning of the week. It met my conditions, so I placed a trade. If it like today, I didn't set a trade, didn't meet my conditions. Today at 6 o'clock, if it meets my conditions, then I'll go ahead and set another trade. But as of right now, that's how I'm looking. All right, folks. See you another day, and I'll keep you updated.